Do you really want to learn super fluent English? Do you really want to win the hearts of your family members, relatives, colleagues, companions? Do you really want to get promotion? Just English is there, which is not making you able to grab something. So do listen this video for next 4 to 5 minutes. I'm going to give you super tips so that you can learn English, you can win the heart of others, and you can boost your confidence up. All right. Number one, most of the student, most of the people are not clear that why they are learning English. Most often, what I've seen, what I've realized that they learn just for showing off. If you're learning English for showing off or anything you're learning only for showing off, within 15 days and 20 days your moral go down and you'll be feeling demotivated, exhausted, burnout. You are willing to do it, but your internal instinct, your internal grit, your internal will not allow you to learn. You'll be feel underrated to yourself, you will underestimate yourself. So what you need to do is, first of all, you need to understand your why, that why you are learning English, why you want to be a very good English speaker, why you want to win the heart of others. Like if you want to get a promotion, then you'll be learning like hell. If you want to give a speech in your school or on a stage, you must be growing well. So have a clear why. First of all, talk to yourself and ask that why I'm learning, or make your why so strong. Like when I started, I had a dream to get a promotion in my company where I was working. So day and night I just kept on learning, kept on practicing without thinking that I'm going to learn or not, because I was confirmed myself at any cost I have to go up and end it with my super fluency of English, and this is what I did it. So when you have a clear your why, then you must go with that. No one can stop you, right? Number two, always keep in mind that grammar would stop you. So for a while, for next 3, 4, 5, 6 months, stop learning grammar, learn structures, learn phrases, learn direct sentences, what you need to just speak in front of people, right? Just because of these phrases and sentences and structures, you'll be feeling confident, because the thing is that whatever you are feeling, you have to speak it. So when you are speaking it, you're feeling confident. When you go for grammar will stop you, because when you are going to learn grammar, along with that your mind will scrap you, stop you, burn you out, exhaust you, and it will resist you. So obviously for next 3, 4, 5, 6 months, you have to leave the grammar, just speak sentences and speak phrases, right? Number three, change your aura, change everything into English. Think in English, sleep in English, talk in English, walk in English. Overall, make your 360-degree circle in English. Make friends who speak in English, who supports you in English. Be with them who try to talk with you in English. If you are not sitting, standing, having food with the friends who are not speaking English, you are going to demotivate yourself. You are just wasting your time. So instead of wasting your time, make your 360-degree boundary, make your 360-degree era in English. All right. Point number four is just revise everything, revise vocabulary, revise sentences, revise as much as possible. The more you can revise your whatever you are writing, whatever you are collecting in terms of vocabulary, in terms of sentences, as much as you will revise, your mind will be having recalling value and recalling memory, and it will allow you to speak at the moment whenever you need to speak, right? Fifth and last, as of now only, you have to understand your system. When you understand your system, that I need storytelling, or I need daily basis sentences, I need more to more speak in front of the phone, or I need some friend who can speak up with me. When you understand your routine, when you understand your reflections, that when you like the most to speak in English, that is only will help you to continue in English. Otherwise you are not going to continue after a month. It's very very difficult to continue with your skill if you're learning. So I would say it's not impossible, it is possible, but it is little hard, because where we are learning English, it means we don't have atmosphere all around. We have to make, you have to stubborn to make your atmosphere. You have to become stubborn for a time, until unless you complete your English fluency. Try to make your aura in English. Everywhere all around you have to speak in English, because this is what you have to achieve within a no time. and you can do it. All right, if you like this video, please comment how you like it, what you do it, and what are you doing, and what you're going to continue after listening this video. And if you really love it, please do subscribe this channel and like it and share it as much as possible. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care, India.